biphenyls. Yes. So, if you remember children, I had taught you in my previous lecture कि देखा जाए तो इस तरह का एक स्ट्रक्चर अगर आप लेते हैं बाइफिनाइल का, then if I run a plane of symmetry over here, then they are mirror images of each other, so they should not be optically active, but in reality is found to be optically active, right? The explanation to this also I had given to you. On the board, it is looking that the two rings are arranged in this fashion. ये biphenyl एक है, ये biphenyl का second ring है, benzene ring, और center में आपका ये carbon atom दिख रहे हैं bonded में. But the arrangement is not in this fashion. क्या होता है? यहाँ से एक जो benzene ring है, it starts tilting this way. Can you see the perpendicular rotation now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the difference. ये molecule में इस तरह से arrangement नहीं है. Stereochemistry अभी different हो गई है because now it has been tilted 90 degrees. That is why this molecule is optically active. That is why this molecule is optically active. अब इसमें मैं आपको एक example देना है. A, B, C, D. Everyone draw the mirror image of this molecule, please. Start drawing the mirror image. Once you have finished, let me know. डिफिकल्ट है क्वेश्चन, सॉल्व नहीं करने पा रहे हो? ओके, लेट मी हेल्प यू अ बिट. दिस इज योर biphenyl ring with its double bonds. Now, मिरर इमेज कैसे ड्रॉ करते हैं? सीधे इस मॉलिक्यूल के सामने एक मिरर रख दो. Once you place the mirror, as you see your image in the mirror when you are standing in front of it, similarly इसका mirror image draw करना है. Very simple. तो क्या आएगा? D is over here, so first you will be able to see the reflection of D. C is over here, so first you will be able to see the reflection of C over here. B is over here, so first you will be able to see B here, and A is over here. Now you will be able to see the reflection over here. So this becomes a mirror image of this molecule. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
yes, right. अभी एक और molecule देखते हैं. This is another biphenyl ring only, but having very bulky substituents. Having very bulky substituents. COOH, COOH, और ये आपका biphenyl का conjugation खत्म कर दिया मैंने. Now you can see always benzene खुद से ही bulkier group है. Benzene on its own is quite bulkier. ऊपर से दूसरा benzene ring उस पे लगा दिया. दूसरा बेंजीन लगा देने के बाद में बाइफेनाइल कंपाउंड फॉर्म तो हुआ, लेकिन ये अभी खुद से ही बल्की ग्रुप है, हेवी ग्रुप है. Now on this heavy group again you are putting some substituents. Substituents किसको बोलेंगे? बेंजीन रिंग को छोड़ के जो भी एटम्स प्रेजेंट है उसको हम लोग substituents बोलेंगे. So here the substituents are what? Carboxylic acid and nitro group. So carboxylic acid is a very heavy group, as well as nitro group is a very heavy group. So when I draw a plane of symmetry over here, this part is not, if I put it on this, it is not going to be a mirror image of each other. It is going to be a non-superimposable image of each other. So that is why this compound as well as these compounds are optically active. Optically active. The molecule is optically active. This type of rotation around single bond. This type of rotation around single bond is called as atrop isomerism. Atrop isomerism. And the isomers are called as atrop isomers. Atrop isomers. I repeat once more. हमने जो अभी आइसोमेरिज्म देखा है, it is basically because of the rotation of the biphenyl perpendicular to each other. यानी कि ये सिंगल बॉन्ड था, इस पे रेस्ट्रिक्शन लग गया, अभी इस तरह से घूम गया, तो परपेंडिकुलरिटी हो गया सिंगल बॉन्ड्स के बीच में. Now this type of a restriction which takes place due to restriction of a single bond, carbon to carbon single bond, is called as atrop isomerism. And the isomers which follow this isomerism are called as atrop isomers. So this is an entire explanation for your question on biphenyls. Are you clear with it? You want me to explain any part which is not clear yet?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now write down the answer to your question of biphenyls. Draw these two structures. Draw this structure. Write down these points.